it's Sarah with AWE, and behind me is a 21 plus regular cab F-150 with the AWE 0FG exhaust installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you. But before we get into that, I want to give you a quick rundown of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. Beginning at the inlet, the AWE system picks up after the emissions equipment, bolts directly up to your factory pipes using the included flange, and reuses your factory hardware. Next up is our 180 technology resonator. 180 technology is AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, that annoying low-frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and silences drone-prone frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight-piped exhaust. The result is a system that's quiet within the cabin at cruising speeds, but wakes up as soon as you step in the throttle. Best of both worlds. Continuing up and over the axle is more 3-inch T304L stainless. And as you can see, there's plenty of clearance around the axle, spare tire, and the frame. That brings us to the tips. This exhaust has a side exit dual configuration and comes with 4.5-inch double-walled and slash-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. And without further ado, here's how it sounds. We hope you like what you heard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.